Hi, I'm Matthew with Kairos Wellness Collective. I wanted to talk about some techniques to do some self-regulation when we are in moments of panic or when we feel a little bit overwhelmed with anxiety. Uh, there's a theory called polyvagal theory. It's often talked about with like pain and being stuck. And so a lot of OCD and anxiety symptoms we feel that way. We feel stuck, we feel overwhelmed. And there's a great way of resetting the vagal nerve. And there's some actually physical things that we can do to kind of help settle us and kind of get centered again. We can actually do that right now. You sit up straight, and I want you to be able to take a nice deep breath that goes all the way down to your diaphragm, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Let's take 3 breaths. We can hold for 2 seconds. And then exhale for 3. Hold and exhale. I want you to be able to take your thumbs like this. Find the ridge on the back of your head. There's a little bit of a ridge right there in your occipital lobe. And I want you to be able to take your thumbs and go along the side like this, from inside to out, right on the back of the ridge. And I want you to kind of look down when you do this. And I want you to kind of go down and put even pressure on the back of that lobe. And then you're going to actually go ahead and lift up your head. Put pressure in the back of your head here. Taking deep breaths. Sometimes when we do this, we wait until we get a release. We sometimes yawn once we release the vagus. That's the resetting of the vagal nerve. So kind of doing that activation on the occipital lobe, putting pressure on the back of the head and looking up and taking deep breaths. That's a great way, a very simple, sure way of actually resetting that vagal nerve.